Hi, my name is Maria and today I'll be showing you 5 poses that you can do for upper back pain. Upper back pain is usually seen in people who often have tightness in one group of muscles and weakness in another group of muscles, causing somewhat of a muscular imbalance. Usually it's seen in people who are doing a lot of repetitive forward facing motions without doing any counter movements. So with that, of course, you will have some kind of an imbalance resulting in some kind of a back pain. Now remember, I will show you some stretching exercises and I will also show you some strengthening exercises, because to make the muscles less achy and less sore, it's also important that the muscles that are being underused, are weaker, are being strengthened. So a couple of these exercises are not necessarily stretching exercises, but they are to help strengthen those muscles. So join me. The very first one is called a cow face pose. So let me show you, but my back will be to the camera. So I'll take a block and I'll sit on it cross-legged. For this one, you do need any strap. It could even be a scarf or any long piece of material. I'm just using a resistance band because I couldn't find my strap. So take a strap, your strap. Take the right hand over your head and take it down towards your back. And with my left hand, I will take it down and then up, and see if you can grab hold of your strap. Perhaps your fingers might meet each other. And here, open up your chest, look up where the wall meets the ceiling, right elbow aiming, shooting up towards the ceiling, and then left elbow aiming down towards the floor. Here, lift your chest up, chin up, eyes up, and then breathe. Perhaps you can let go of the strap and the fingers may meet, and that's fine too. Or perhaps, the strap may not be an easy option, or you may not have a strap. For that, you can just grab hold of your clothes and that's fine too. Okay, and then relax. Just roll your shoulders and then the other way. So right hand. No, let's start with the upper arm. Left arm up and then down. Right arm down and up. Stay here for several breaths. One side may feel a lot tighter than the other side, and that's okay. We all have an asymmetrical side. And that's why these kind of exercises help to bring some symmetry in our bodies. And then left hand relaxes, and then right arm relaxes, and then roll your shoulder blades. From here, let's do a skydiver pose. So for this one, lie on your belly, pubic bone touching towards the mat, arms in a cactus position, so the kind of right angle, feet and legs somewhat together, and then press your forehead into the mat. Bring awareness to the front of your hips, so the pressing into the mat. Take a deep breath here. And then on your exhale, lift. Lift up your arms, lift up your feet, see if they can be together. Look down so your neck is nice and long. Cranking your neck here. Lift up your arms, elbows up, palms up, spread out your fingers. And imagine there's thick air and you're taking your arms up towards the front of the mat and then down to cactus and relax. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep inhale. On your exhale, lift your legs, arms up, elbows up, hands up, fingers apart. Look down towards the mat. Take your arms up towards the front. It's kind of making a triangle shape, and then down. A great upper back strengthening exercise. And just mind you, remember to squeeze your shoulder blades. Again, press your hips into the mat, feet together, and then take a deep breath and lift. Look down at the mat. Don't look up, look down. Elbows up, hands up, fingers apart. Take a deep inhale, exhale, make a triangle, come down. And relax. From here, slide your hands directly under your shoulder blades and then pick your chest up. Cobra pose. Here, push your chest out towards the front of the room. Tuck your elbows by the side as much as you can. The front of your thighs press into the mat as you lift yourself up. Now, if you happen to be here, that's fine. If you happen to be here, that's fine. If you happen to be here, that's fine. Or if you can bring yourself up, go ahead, do that. But try not to extend your arms. See if you can bend those elbows to the side so they're kind of tickling your side of your torso. And breathe. And then bring yourself down. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, lift again. And see if you can squeeze your shoulder blades as you lift. And then down. Inhale. Exhale, lift, squeeze your shoulder blades, lift your chest up, push it forward, belly in, and then bring yourself down. And then from here, curl your toes. And then come into a downward dog. Take the right leg up as I kick the plant. Bring the right foot forward. Okay, and then my back foot is at 45-degree angle as I come into a warrior two stance. A lovely dynamic pose for opening up the chest here. For those who have a tendency to sit with our shoulder blades hunched forward. So open up those fingers, open up the arms, and then sit down. Bring this hip down as the back leg is nice and straight. And then from here, we'll do the other side. So back leg forward, take the right leg back so you can see much more better. Left hip drops, right leg straight, right foot facing towards the front, and then stay here. Take the belly in, come down. See if you can lift yourself up as you come further down. You don't have to be static in this pose. I invite you to be fluid so you can come out, go further in, and explore how you're feeling in your hips as well as in your shoulders. And then hands back down towards the floor. Bring your back leg forward and then stand tall. And then from here, we'll come into a kneeling lunge. So my right leg is out, perhaps at a 90-degree. My left hip is over my left knee. Bring your hands to heart center, lean forward. Take your left elbow outside the right knee. And then bring your palms together. And then come into a twist. Feeling the opening on the left side of your shoulder. and come back. You can do that a couple more times. It's exploring the range of motion. How does the shoulder feel over here? There's a lot of back work here. So you're also involving a bit of your lower back because you're twisting from the waist. And then come back to the middle. Bring your knees in, left leg forward, hands to heart center, lean forward and take the right elbow outside the left knee and then twist. You might find yourself a bit unstable at one side again. That's normal. Explore what's happening. And I really enjoy this one because I feel a great stretch around my scapular area on the right side. And then come back to the middle. Again, one more time, lean forward, take the elbow outside the left knee, twist, look towards the left side, and then come back. Now there's another variation you can do of this, which is giving yourself a twist, and then taking the left arm over to the right side of your pant and opening up this left shoulder as you twist further. So I'll show this to you on the other side. Lean forward, across, take the right arm over, grab hold of the pant belt on the left side, and then look up towards the ceiling, perhaps down if that hurts your neck. It's up to you. And then hands back to center. And that's all I have for the 5 poses to help with upper back pain. When you do have an acute flare of an upper back pain, I would recommend not trying these exercises. Perhaps ice your back or just give it some pure rest. But once you've recovered and once your pain is at a minimal baseline level, I really recommend trying these exercises to help strengthen the pain so the flare-ups don't happen. Well, thank you for joining with me, and I hope you enjoy these poses.